Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is yet again a shopping video. So right now I'm in Commercial Street. So in Commercial Street there's one shop called as Royal Lady, and this place is only for ladies and girls. So this store has an amazing collection in western wear and Indian wear. So first let's go inside and check out what all they have. So this is the entrance of the store. So this place is located in Commercial Street, Tascat Town, below Texas Mart, and the starting price starts at just rupees 250. So they have one of the best collections over here. So if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and you can click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So this place is located in Commercial Street, 177 Ibrahim Street, Tascat Town. So don't get confused, just come to Commercial Street and then come near Texas Mart. So most of them know what is Texas Mart and where is it located, and that is one of the famous places in Commercial Street. So right just below Texas Mart you will find Royal Lady. They have the best and the unique collection. So I've already uploaded the video of Texas Mart. Do check it out. They do have the amazing collection. So in Royal Ladies, starting from 250, they have shirts, t-shirts, ethnic wear, frocks. They have wide collections of maxi dresses over here, and it starts at just rupees 250. So these are the shorts and it comes in all the size and they are very affordable. You have it in different colors starting from grey, black, pink, white, ash and many more. So coming to the palazzos, they have lot of collections in palazzos starting at just rupees 200 to 250 bucks, and they have it in different colors. And it's just not the plain palazzo, it has some white sparkles in that, and I just love the palazzo. So now coming to the main part of the store, which is the maxi dresses, party wear, frocks and many more. And where can you find party wear clothes at just rupees 250 bucks? So don't worry about the size. So if you don't find your size over here, the people in the store are very friendly. They will let you find your size as soon as possible. ಎಷ್ಟಿದು?
600 ಮೇಡಮ್. అది కలర్ చేద్దాం. देखिए
మనకి కావాలి
डिफरेंट कलर 3 कलर्स मैम.
Do you have in her size? So these maxi dresses starts at rupees 500 because the quality is very good, and you also get it in different colors and different shades. So keep watching the video until the last, because this store also has the ready-made sarees and blouse. So do watch it. So these are some party wear collections that they have. So this one is in maroon color. So if you want it in short, they do have it in short, and if you don't want the sleeves, they do have it without sleeves. So this one is in navy blue, and I just love this one. And if you have any queries regarding the location or anything, please feel free or do ping me on Instagram, or else you can drop down a message in the comment section and I will definitely reply to you all.
ब्लाउज आएगा,
वाह,
कलर मिलेगा इसमें, बहुत सारा कलर अलग अलग है। ऐसा रेडी फुल रेडी साड़ी आएगा आपको। उसके बाद ये जो है ना ऐसा फुल आएगा।
कितना ये
रेडी है, कुछ भी करना नहीं है, खोलना है। और ये पिन जो है ना खाली स्ट्राइंग करके आप पिन करना है, बस इतना चाहिए।
कितना?
ये 1300 का है। इसमें आपको स्टार्टिंग प्राइस 1300 आएगा, 3000 तक मिलेगा इसमें प्राइस आपको।
इसमें हैंड्स, फुल हैंड्स कुछ है?
इसमें हैंड्स फुल नहीं आएगा, हाफ हैंड आएगा। इसमें 4 स्लीव्स है, सब में हैंड्स अंदर में रहेगा। ये सब देखिए जो है ना हैंड सब में है और आपको अटैच करना पड़ेगा। अटैच और हैंड ऐसा अभी है, आराम से बैठिए सर। अभी देखिए इसमें हैंड लगा हुआ है।
बहुत बहुत। सिर्फ ब्लाउज कितना पड़ेगा आपके पास?
नहीं, सिर्फ ब्लाउज नहीं मिलेगा, सेट में आएगा ना। ब्लाउज चाहिए तो 300 से स्टार्टिंग है आपको मेरे पास।
हाँ,
ब्लाउज 300 में मिल जाएगा आपको। लेकिन ये जो है ना सेट में आएगा ये वाला, क्योंकि इसका कलर में सेट अगर ये दे दिया तो वेस्ट हो जाएगा।
हाँ,
और 3 पीस भी है हमारे पास। 3 पीस 2 पीस
क्या 3 पीस?
देखिए 3 पीस में क्या होगा, सब प्लाजो आएगा।
ओह, ये नहीं, ओके।
और एक स्ट्रग आएगा,
हाँ।
सब टॉप आएगा ना।
So as you all saw, the saree and the blouse set are just for rupees 1300, and just look at the beautiful red sequence blouse. And where can you find such a beautiful saree set with a blouse at such a cheaper price? It's just for 1300. I don't think that you'll find it anywhere else in Bangalore, and it is a stitched saree. And I definitely recommend you all to please visit the store. They have the amazing collection and the prices are very cheaper. So I've already made a haul of this store, which I'm going to upload it in the next video, which is the coming videos. So do check it out so that you'll get to know about the brief explanation of how the store looks and how the dresses and the quality of the dresses are. So just wait for that. I will upload it very soon. So all these are the maxi dresses, and I just loved all the maxi dresses over here, and I bought few of them, which I'm going to definitely show you all in the next video. And these are just for rupees 500. And I don't think that you will find such a beautiful maxi dresses at such a cheaper price. And most of them don't like wearing dresses or shorts. But coming to maxi dresses, they're very comfortable and it's too covering. There's no skin showing out. So I recommend you all to invest in maxi dresses because they're very comfortable. So if you want something in formal wear, they do have it. These are just for rupees 250 bucks. They have it in different colors, white, grey and black. So all these are the palazzo pants which I was showing you all before. So in this they have a lot of collections, so do check it out. So if you're a party person, then come here. You will have the amazing blingy and sparkling tops at just rupees 250 bucks. So I'm just going to show you the overview of the store, how it looks. So starting from dresses to frocks, jeans, skirts, tops and many more, they have everything over here. And as you all saw, the sarees at just rupees 1300, I just love that. And I hope you all visit the store. And here ends the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.